All right, check this out. That is not going anywhere. You are not going to get that off with any ease whatsoever. That's on there. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Kaycentop Wheel Clamp Anti-Theft Lock. Now, this is a high security, highly visible, which is what you want, anti-theft lock for your vehicle or your trailer or something similar that can clamp around a tire. Here's what the lock looks like. And this model came with 3 keys. The concept is simple and it's really easy. Insert the key, turn it, you'll unlock it, and now you can see where the wheel clamp is totally adjustable to whatever wheels that you're trying to fit it to. Here are the adjustable holes on the underside of the wheel clamp. So I want to show you how this works. When you set it, that little peg there will go into one of the holes. Now here is a small trailer of mine, and that's what makes this so good, because it's adjustable to different tire sizes. So you can see right there, it's not coming off. So that would be perfect to keep my trailer from being stolen. Now here's an example where I'm using this on my Chevy Silverado. Now it is at the very last hole, so if you have a super wide tire, it's probably not going to work, but this is a fairly standard on my Silverado. So let me do a measurement of just the tire. Is around close to 10 inches, probably 9 3/4, something like that, this area. So it works just fine. You're not going to get that off. These are the tires on my van. These are BF Goodrich KO2s. And it's not as wide as my tire on my Silverado, so that is not going anywhere. So that is very secure. All right, if I'm a thief, I'm moving on to something way more easy. All right, I got to give this Kaycentop wheel clamp a big thumbs up. I'm impressed. So if you're looking at this, I hope you found this video helpful.